Welcome to the next-gen Auto Hub. The 1964 Ford Mustang is more than a car. It is the spark that ignited an entire movement. It is the machine that turned excitement into metal, freedom into horsepower, and aspiration into something you could purchase, drive, and proudly call your own. When it debuted on April 17, 1964, at the New York World's Fair, it wasn't just introduced. It arrived. It made an entrance so monumental that people lined up around dealerships, newspapers scrambled for headlines, and Ford watched a new automotive era take shape before its eyes. The Mustang wasn't designed to follow a trend. It was destined to start one. From the very first glance, the 1964 Mustang delivered a message. This was America's new symbol of youth, independence, and possibility. Its long hood and short rear deck created an unmistakable silhouette, one that instantly distinguished it from the bland, boxy sedans of the time. The Mustang appeared sleek, purposeful, and athletic. Its proportions suggested speed even when the car wasn't moving. The chrome accents gleamed with confidence, and its low stance drew people in with a promise of pure, uncomplicated excitement. Ford wasn't simply selling a vehicle, they were selling the idea of personal freedom. The front end, with its iconic running horse emblem galloping boldly across a blacked-out grille, became a symbol recognized across the country. It wasn't aggressive in an intimidating way, it was assertive, spirited, and ready for the open road. The round headlights framed that forward motion, giving the Mustang a face that felt determined and full of character. The bumper's polished metal and the clean simplicity of the design added to the elegance. This was a car that managed to be stylish and affordable, aspirational and accessible all at once. Along the sides, the Mustang's body lines flowed with natural beauty. The subtle Falcon-inspired sculpting and the signature C-scoop behind the doors gave the profile dynamic personality. Chrome trim traced the windows and wheel arches with tasteful restraint, adding just enough sparkle without overwhelming the design. And then there were the wheels, simple steel rims or stylish optional wire covers, each contributing to the Mustang's confident stance. It was a car that could be dressed up or down, customized or kept simple, and still maintain the same magnetic charm. The rear of the 1964 Mustang became just as iconic as its face. The tri-bar taillights, slightly angled and cleanly separated, stood proudly as a new visual signature. The wide deck lid, chrome bumper, and centered fuel cap created a harmonious balance. Whether it was the Coupe, the Convertible, or the Fastback that arrived a few months later for the '65 model year, the rear design remained unforgettable. Each angle of the Mustang carried a bold yet friendly attitude, one that invited drivers to imagine themselves behind the wheel, hitting the highway at sunrise with nothing but possibility ahead. The interior of the 1964 Mustang revealed how much Ford understood the desires of the American driver. The cabin was intentionally designed to feel like a sports car, but priced within reach of the everyday buyer. Twin-cowl dash styling created a cockpit-like atmosphere, separating the driver and passenger zones while adding a sense of purpose. The deeply recessed gauges, chrome-ringed and easily readable, gave the driver a sense of control and connection. The steering wheel, thin, elegant, and adorned with the Mustang's proud emblem, felt like it belonged in something far more expensive. Bucket seats came standard, instantly giving the car a sporty personality that set it apart from the bench-seated norm of the era. Materials inside the Mustang weren't flashy, but they were selected with intention. Vinyl textures, chrome trim, and bold color choices allowed owners to match the car to their personality. The optional rally pack, floor-mounted shifter, and upgraded audio system gave the Mustang the flexibility to be modest or expressive. It was the first car that truly felt like it belonged to the driver, not to a demographic or a category, but to a person. Under the hood, the 1964 Mustang offered a variety of engines that allowed buyers to tailor performance to their desires. The standard inline-4 and inline-6 options made the Mustang affordable, approachable, and fuel-efficient. But it was the V8S, the 260, and later the iconic 289 that transformed the Mustang from stylish cruiser to something far more thrilling. With the V8 installed, the car didn't just move, it came alive. The rumble from the exhaust, The smooth surge of torque, the sensation of pressing the accelerator and feeling immediate response. These traits help define what Americans would come to expect from performance cars for decades. The Mustang's driving experience was spirited, lively, and surprisingly refined for its price point. The lightweight body made handling nimble and approachable, allowing even inexperienced drivers to enjoy the feeling of a responsive machine. The placement of the steering, pedals, and shifter reflected Ford's scaling of sports car ergonomics into an affordable package. On open highways, the Mustang cruised effortlessly, gliding with an ease that captured the imagination of drivers everywhere. On winding roads, it offered playful agility. This was a car built to be driven, not just admired. Culturally, the 1964 Mustang became an instant icon. It appeared in movies, magazines, music, and every corner of American life. It became the car for first-time buyers, for young professionals, for families who wanted a second vehicle full of personality. It became the ultimate platform for customization and personalization. The Mustang wasn't just a product, it was a phenomenon. And even as decades passed, the original 1964 model maintained its charm, becoming a cherished classic and a symbol of American ingenuity. The legacy of the 1964 Ford Mustang is one defined by innovation, emotion, and the undeniable magic of great design meeting perfect timing. It arrived when the world needed excitement, when drivers wanted something more expressive than ordinary sedans, and when America was ready for a revolution on wheels. The Mustang didn't just change Ford, it changed the industry. Today, the 1964 Mustang stands as a timeless reminder that sometimes the simplest ideas, freedom, individuality, joy, create the greatest legends. It remains beautiful, it remains meaningful, and it remains forever the car that taught the world to dream with the roar of an engine and the promise of the open road. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support helps our channel grow. See you in the next video.